Phoenix Carpet Repair and Cleaning here at a Hilton Homewood Suites doing some carpet cleaning. And as you can see, we have some hose running up to the 4th floor here in this building. There's 2 buildings we're doing the carpet cleaning in, but just giving you a run of our pull. And we're at 300 feet of hose and solution line using the Apex. So here we are, running down our first hallway. We have 4 of them. So we got Ruben down on the end doing the cleaning. Phoenix Carpet Repair and Cleaning doing some commercial carpet cleaning work here at the Hilton Homewood Suites. How goes it?
Good.